If you own a Craftsman table saw with a fence system like this, then today's episode is for you. So we're going to build this, an auxiliary fence for your table saw fence. And this can be adapted to just about any table saw. Hello everyone, my name is Bobby Sharp and welcome to my shop. As you can see, I'm a woodworker and I enjoy making different projects. So please hit that subscribe button and join me in this journey. As you can see in this shot, we have to be creative and come up with different ways to clamp things to our table saw fence. Having an auxiliary fence will make this easier and much quicker. Here I'm marking the holes with a brad point bit and then marking them with a pencil so they're easier to see. This board is approximately 4 inches wide and 29.5 inches long. We'll cut it off to the correct length later. Now that we have the board at the drill press, I'm simply using a Forstner bit to form a relief so that Tnuts can be installed a little later. The screws I'm using are 1/4 with a tapered head. This tapered head will help center the screw in the hole in the table saw fence. Using the screws and my drill driver to pull the Tnuts into place. This is a lot easier than just hammering them into place. Here's a good look at that Tnut when it has been pulled all the way in and will not interfere with the next two pieces we'll be adding later. Here I'm ripping a piece of 1/2 inch plywood. I believe this piece is 4.5 inches wide and it is 29.5 inches long. I have set the blade to cut a curve about 3/8 of an inch from the edge. Then I will adjust the settings to remove this area to form a rabbet. You guessed it, the rabbets along with the first piece will form a T-slot. So we need T-bolts to use in the T-slot. These have 1/4 threads. So now all that is left is to glue the pieces together. And while I'm doing that, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. There are lots of new projects that I have lined up. Some include the remodeling of our kitchen, the building of an island for our kitchen with storage and drawers, and some new shop furniture that will aid in building new projects. So please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you on board. Thanks. All right, so I did a little bit of sanding and trimmed it up so it is the right length. So let's see how this fits. Looks nice and straight. Now, with this T-slot, we can clamp anything we need to the fence. Plus, it's a lot taller, and if we're trying to, rip something on a thickness side, then this will give us more support. And any other jigs that we design to attach to the fence we can use the T-slot to attach those to the fence assembly. I appreciate you stopping by my shop today. Again, I'm Bobby Sharp. I'd appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button so that you'll get notified when I upload some videos. Thanks for watching.